Today we're making peel and eat shrimp Barbaro Mojo style. We got shrimp marinating with Barbaro Mojo, beer, give it a stir, throw it in the fridge while we get the rest of the ingredients prepped up. Next, we're going to boil the corn and the potatoes. Now we're going to make our sauce. Garlic, salt, fresh cracked pepper, chili powder, lots of chili powder, a little bit of cumin, some garlic powder, and some oregano. Get a nice toast on that. And then we're going to add in our butter. Stick and a half just for flavor. And now, the Barbaro Mojo. Oh yeah, get a little extra in there. Let that simmer. Let those flavors combine. Now we're going to drain the marinade off our shrimp, and then we're going to re-season the shrimp. We got some cumin, some chili powder, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder, and then of course our Barbaro Mojo. Give those a little spin. Now we're going to do some beer steaming. So we got another beer in the pot there. In goes our corn and our potatoes, par cooked. Some smoked chorizo. And then our marinated shrimp. Cover that bad boy up and wait till those shrimp turn pink. Now we're just draining off the beer, putting everything back in the pot, and putting our sauce right on top. Give it a little stir. And there we go. Peel and eat shrimp, Barbaro Mojo style. Little fresh squeezed lemon for flavor, and you're done.
¡Qué bárbaro!